Our family is very focused on making genetic progress with our livestock. So we spend a lot of time and effort making genetic improvements to our herd. And we want to pass that improvement on to our customers.
We work closely with many of our commercial customers to use the Inherit Select program. The Inherit Select commercial heifer testing is the biggest game changer that we've seen in the genetics business for our customers. It gives them the same data to select their replacement heifers that we have to select our purebred heifers. It's the best tool that our commercial customers can use for their heifer selection. On the purebred side of things, not only do we get weekly updates, but our customers can go in and get updates on their heifers as well. Many of our customers go back and start testing young calves so that they're ready to make selection when those calves get to weaning or yearling. And even though they tested those females maybe 8 months or 12 months earlier, their data continues to change with the weekly updates, and that's a real benefit of using the Zoetis program.
We've always talked to commercial producers about which heifers they should select, but we didn't really have any data to hang our hat on to help those producers do a better job of finding out which heifers would be more profitable for them. When they see this data, then that gives them the criteria that they need to be looking at in helping them to select their next bull. So that's how it really helps us so that we can help them. When they have the data to show us, then we can look at that and help them find the most appropriate bull. So it's a win-win for them and us.
One of the benefits to Inherit Select is that our customers receive percentile ranks back on all the cattle that have been tested by Zoetis. So it helps them compare themselves to the rest of the producers that have tried the program. They get excited if they're in the top 10% or toward the top 1% of all the cattle that have been tested. And so it brings some excitement and a challenge, I think, that wasn't there before, is to be the very best they can be. So in order to participate in the Inherit Select program, you take a tissue sample, submit it to Zoetis, and then they give lots of information back to the commercial customer, including breed composition, percent British and percent continental, as well as color testing, horn pole testing, and then a full suite of EPDs and indexes to help simplify making decisions.
Many of our customers share those reports back with us, and that allows us to help them select the right bulls for their needs in the future. We don't get complaints about Zoetis from our customers. Everybody's really happy with the data they get back and the service they get. We've been nothing but 100% pleased.
When we enhance the EPDs, then we make better decisions. And so I believe what's going to happen in the next 10 years, we're going to see a much bigger footprint for genomics. And the indexes we can put together to predict feedlot performance and carcass data, I think we will begin to market a lot more cattle using genomic indexes than we have in the past. And I think that's the future.